Hi everyone, Jan Furston here from Furston House. I wanted to share two journals with you that I've just purchased this past few days, and they were delivered last night. And I mean, the videos were fantastic. The Etsy photos were fantastic, but the journals themselves, when they arrived and I was looking at them, I was just amazed at all the work that went into these. And these were created by Jennifer, and her YouTube and Etsy shop. It's called Junky Little Secrets, and it's talk about a best kept secret. It's an amazing trip through these journals. It was just watching all of the beauty. And she also has how-tos on how to create parts of this one. And it's the easiest journal or the easiest video tutorial that I have seen on creating these. It was just short and sweet, to the point. She shows you everything, what she did, and there you have it. It's in a couple of different videos. So I'll be sure and put her link below. She only has like 250 some odd subscribers, so I'm just asking you to show her a little love and subscribe to her channel and watch, because she has some amazing things coming. I'm just sure of it because of these two here. I was so tickled to find these, and that they were still for sale. So I was like, I grabbed them quickly. But I'm just going to run through them right quick. This one is the blue, of course, and then this one's called the Rose Journal. And what I like about these, they're like a lap book, which my weakness is lap books. I love lap books. And these are similar to a lap book, but they're smaller and more manageable. And you can see the sari silk she's used in the little key there. I'm trying to put this out of the way there. And just so much work went into this. And she shows you how to do this part. And it opens up this way. Now these are envelopes that she's used to create this. And then this opens up here. Another envelope. You can see I love that sound. And then she's done what I call a waterfall here. It's just beautiful. But again, it's small, and it's not small. It's just smaller than a normal lap book would be. And at least the ones I've seen. So it's much more manageable. And just such work. So much detail. And here it opens this way. And I'm not going to go through every single little thing. She's all of the ephemera and stuff. It's just beautiful. She used a kit. I believe she said it was from Artie Mae's, if I remember correctly. From Artie Mae's Facebook group. And there it is. It's just, oh, here. And how she did the cutouts here under the pocket. I just thought that was really neat. I got more inspiration going through this. Oh, and these I had to laugh at. So it's called a phonogram. And I'm thinking probably from the 60s or 70s maybe, because I used these when I first started to work in the early 80s. Well, not this particular kind I didn't use. But it's a way of taking messages. So you say, someone, Mr. or Miss of some company telephoned you, will call again, so on and so forth, and they leave a message. And we had something similar that we used in the military places that I worked. And I got a big kick out of looking at that, because that brought back some memories. There we go. Beautiful pocket on the back of a card. It's just lovely. My favorite Edith Holden, of course. Pocket. Sweet. Another pocket. And I like the fact that not all the pages are the same. Some of them are shorter than the others. So it gives you a lot of visual interest in there. Another pocket, again with the cutout here. And this on the back. And this little charm, it reads courageous. And this opens out like so. I love the fussy cutting going on here. I love to fussy cut. I've been doing a lot of fussy cutting lately. It's very calming, actually. It sounds odd, but it is. And then in the back, when you think there are no more surprises left, we get another surprise. So we open this up. And these, I'm not sure how she did these. I think, I'm not sure, but I think she put like stickles or diamond glaze on just a piece of paper ephemera. And it just, I don't know if you can see, but it catches the light, and it's really pretty. It's a card there. And then it opens up again. And it just kind of goes and goes. And but it's so compact, you wouldn't think that it had all these hidden pockets and tucks and everything. And that's a large pocket. And again, she does show you how she does this. And it's a very simple, easy to follow tutorial that I was like, because some of them are so long, and I have the attention span of a gnat sometimes, and I just want to cut to the chase. And she did. The videos I think were like maybe 10 minutes long, and she showed you exactly what she did. So that's the rose journal, and I'm going to go and show you the blue one now. It's a little key here, and I've not tied it as pretty as she had it tied, but the little wooden frame there. Beautiful work. Pocket on the back, but we'll look at it at the end. And what I like about these, both of them are like this, so you can add to or take away pages as you want. So that was really neat. And so this one here, and this, I really like this. I'm into charms now too. This is the end of a spoon. And I thought, oh my gosh, I have a spoon bracelet that a lady made, or not a spoon, it was a large serving fork type thing, because I have big wrists, big hands, everything. And she made me a bracelet. My friend did. So this reminded me of that, and it's just so pretty, but it's literally the end of a spoon. And the pocket opens up, and it's an accordion pocket. So there's, you know, lots of space and everything. And that was a little thank you that she had popped in the package. And then you have, you know, the ephemera and stuff. I love the colors. And what's nice about these is, you know, if you have a letter or something that you want to save, then this is nice. The accordion pockets allow for more in there. So we'll go ahead and do a quick flip through. And again, this is Jennifer from Junky Little Secrets. I highly encourage you to go subscribe to her channel, because I have a feeling she's going to be doing some amazing things. Well, I know she's going to be, because she's already done it. And I checked out her Etsy shop. There's not much in the Etsy shop right now, but I looked on the sold area. I don't know if you know that you can do that on some of the Etsy sites, where they allow you to see their sold items. And I think that's helpful, because then you can get an idea of what other kinds of things they do. And whoever shop it is, they have to do that on, you know, deliberately. And I went to her sold section, and she had it set up so that I could access it, and saw some beautiful journals. Again, I think she's used diamond glaze or stickles or something on a piece of paper ephemera, and it just really makes it shine. So pretty. And again, there's your center, so you can add and take away just very easily. Another little charm. Another phonogram. I got a kick out of that. It's just a lot of work and detail on these pages. I thought this was fun. I'm working on a journal, if I ever finish it, and it's a tea time journal. And so I saw this, and I thought, oh, it's perfect. Louisiana tea. And again, here's one of these envelopes that, let's see, how does this work? This comes out here, and you open it up this way. And she's used the tuxedo pocket here, and used the one flap as just a tuck spot. Just a sweet. And then this side, there's the pocket, and then you can journal here. I just learned how to do tuxedo pockets in the past 6 months, I think. And then, of course, more ephemera. So neat. Actually, let me do it right. I think, yes, that's how it goes. And then this goes here. Beautiful decoupage. And then here, a large area opening up. Let's see, I don't think that opens. No, it doesn't. Okay, so nice writing space and ephemera. I think those are so cool. And then you go to the back, and then you've got the, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, well, as I said, I've not done this correctly, but a pocket there, just really neat. Lots of space for journaling, and also lots of space for your own ephemera, your own keepsakes, and things of that nature. So, there you are. Again, I just wanted to share these with you and highly recommend that you go subscribe to her channel. It is called Junky Little Secrets, and the lady's name is Jennifer, and she's a fabulous artist. I don't know how long she's been doing this, but I was just totally amazed when I came across. I was looking on Etsy for something, and I came across, you know, how they recommend you should look at this or that. And so I was looking at them thinking, oh wow, these are nice. And then I went to the video that she had linked to it, and that's when I saw just how, because you know, the pictures don't do a lap book justice, I don't think. A video does, because you can see how it opens up and opens up and opens up, but pictures just don't really reflect that necessarily. So I was very pleasantly surprised, and I will put her link below. I hope you're all having a blessed day, a blessed week. Take good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.